Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can indent or outdent text in Samsung Notes on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to swipe up. You go into App Screen and tap on Samsung Notes. Next, open up the note that you would like to edit, and then go to the line where you would like to indent the text. Make sure that you're in edit mode. And next, on the toolbar down here, you want to tap on the text style format and then tap on the indent button. So this is the indent button. If you tap on that, it will allow you to indent text. And if you continue to tap on it, you can continue to indent the text. To outdent the text, just press on the outdent button. And that's it. That's all you have to do to indent or outdent the text in your Samsung Notes app. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.